The penultimate phase of Lok Sabha elections in 58 constituencies across 6 states and 2 union territories, including all the 7 seats in Delhi. Polling for the 6th out of the 7 phases will take place in 14 seats in Uttar Pradesh, all 10 seats of Haryana, 8 seats each in Bihar and West Bengal, 6 seats in Odisha, 4 seats in Jharkhand and 1 seat in Jammu and Kashmir. Polling in Jammu and Kashmir's Anantnag Rajouri, which was adjourned in Phase 3, will also be held during this phase. Simultaneously, 42 assembly constituencies will also go to the polls today. Voting began at 7 am and conclude at 6 pm. Till now, voting has been completed in 25 states and union territories and 428 constituencies out of 543. As many as 889 candidates are in the fray from the 58 Lok Sabha parliamentary constituencies. The high decibel campaigning for the 6th phase ended on May 23. Among the key candidates in fray in the 6th phase are BJP candidate Manoj Tiwari and Congress candidate Kanhaiya Kumar, who are contesting from Northeast Delhi, Maneka Gandhi from Sultanpur, PDP's Mehbooba Pradhan, BJP's Abhijit Gangopadhyay, Naveen Jindal and Rao Inderjeet Singh, as well as BJP candidate from Sambhalpur, Dharmendra Pradhan, BJP's Sambit Patra, Congress Raj Babbar, among others. Following the conclusion of the 6th phase of the polls, the last and final phase of the elections will take place on June 1. Results will be declared on June 4. Bihar with Valmiki Nagar, Paschim Champaran, Purvi Champaran, Shiohar, Vaishali, Gopalganj, Siwan and Maharajganj. From Delhi we have Chandni Chowk, Northeast Delhi, East Delhi, New Delhi, Northwest Delhi and South Delhi. Ambala, Kurukshetra, Sirsa, Hisar, Karnal, Sonipat, Rohtak, Bhiwani, Mahendragarh, Gurgaon, Faridabad from Haryana. Anantnag, Rajouri from Jammu and Kashmir, Bhubaneswar, Puri, Dhenkanal, Keonjhar, Cuttack, Sambalpur from Odisha, Sultanpur, Pratapgarh, Phulpur, Allahabad, Ambedkar Nagar, Shravasti, Domriyaganj, Basti, Sant Kabir Nagar, Lalganj, Azamgarh, Jaunpur, Machli Shahar, Bhadohi from Uttar Pradesh, Tamluk, Kanthi, Ghatal, Jhargram, Medinipur, Purulia, Bankura and Bishnupur from West Bengal, Giridih, Dhanbad, Ranchi, Jamshedpur from Jharkhand. Now here are the key candidates of the 6th phase election. Bansiri Swaraj, BJP versus Somnath Bharti of Aam Aadmi Party from New Delhi. Manoj Tiwari of BJP versus Kanhaiya Kumar of Congress from North East Delhi. Sanjay Jaiswal of BJP versus Madan Mohan Tiwari of Congress from Paschim Champaran. Maneka Gandhi of BJP versus Ram Bhual Nishad of SP from Sultanpur. Dinesh Lal Yadav Nirahua of BJP versus Dharmendra Yadav of SP from Azamgarh. Mehbooba Mufti of JKPDP versus Mian Altaf Ahmed Larvi from Anantnag Rajouri. Manohar Lal Khattar of BJP versus Satpal Brahmachari of Congress from Karnal. Naveen Jindal of BJP versus Sushil Gupta of Aam Aadmi Party from Kurukshetra. Sambit Patra of BJP versus Arup Patnaik of BJD from Puri. Dharmendra Pradhan of BJP versus Pranab Prakash Das of BJD from Sambalpur. Now the complete list of 68 Lok Sabha constituency voting in phase 6. From Bihar, number of seats A named Valmiki Nagar, GEN, Paschim Champaran, GEN, Purvi Champaran, Shiohar, Vaishali, Gopalganj, Siwan, Maharajganj. Nomination forms received 246. Valid candidates after scrutiny is 89. After withdrawal, final contesting candidates are 86. Haryana. Number of seats 10. named Ambala, Kurukshetra, Sirsa, Hisar, Karnal, Sonipat, Rohtak, Bhiwani, Mahendragarh, Gurgaon, Faridabad. Nomination forms received 370. Valid candidates after scrutiny is 239. After withdrawal, final contesting candidates are 223. Jammu and Kashmir. Number of seats won named Anantnag Rajouri. After withdrawal, final contesting candidates are 20. Jharkhand. Number of seats 4 named Giridih, Ranchi, Jamshedpur, Dhanbad. Nomination forms received 245. Valid candidates after scrutiny are 96. After withdrawal, final contesting candidates are 93. Delhi. Number of seats 7 named Chandni Chowk, North East Delhi, East Delhi, New Delhi, Northwest Delhi, West Delhi and South Delhi. Nomination forms received 367. Valid candidates after scrutiny 166. After withdrawal, final contesting candidates are 162. Odisha. Number of seats 6 named Sambalpur, Keonjhar, Dhenkanal, Puri, Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. Nomination forms received 130. Valid candidates after scrutiny 65. After withdrawal, final contesting candidates are 64. Uttar Pradesh. Number of seats 14 named Sultanpur, Pratapgarh, Phulpur, Allahabad, Ambedkar Nagar, Domaria Ganj, Sant Kabir Nagar, Lalganj, Azamgarh, Jaunpur, Machli Shahar, Bhadohi, Shravasti and Basti. Nomination forms received 470. Valid candidates after scrutiny is 164. After withdrawal, final contesting candidates are 162. West Bengal. Number of seats 8 named Tamluk, Kanthi, Ghatal, Jhargram, Medinipur, Purulia, Bankura, Bishnupur. Nomination forms received 150. Valid candidates after scrutiny is 81. After withdrawal, final contesting candidates are 79. In all this parliamentary constituency, West Delhi is one of the most competitive constituency in the 6th phase election. West Delhi, the largest parliamentary constituency among the 7 in the national capital, is set for a keen contest between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. The Saffron Party, through twice victorious from this seat in the past 2 editions of the general elections, faces a stiff challenge from the Aam Aadmi Party's experienced candidate, now strengthened by the Congress vote bank following seat sharing. BJP has fielded Kamaljeet Shehrawat in her debut appearance in the Lok Sabha elections against Mahabal Mishra of the Aam Aadmi Party, his 4th time contesting the parliamentary polls. The constituency has a strength of 24,88,831 eligible voters, including 13,2708 men and 11,61,717. Among the third gender electorate, 106 individuals will exercise their franchise in the Lok Sabha polls. The West Delhi seat has 10 assembly constituencies: Madhipur, Rajouri Garden, Harinagar, Tilaknagar, Janakpuri, Vikaspuri, Uttam Nagar, Dwarka, Patiala and Najafgarh, currently all held by the Aam Aadmi Party. West Delhi so far has seen 3 general elections since formation in 2009. Interestingly, the party secured victory from this seat, went on to form the government at the centre. In 2014, BJP's Parvesh Sahib Singh Verma won the polls by a margin of 2.68 lakh votes, the highest till that year. In 2019, he further widened the lead, winning with the highest ever margin of 5.87 lakh votes. Yet, Verma won't be contesting in these elections as he was dropped by the party and the baton was handed over Shehrawat.